Hey, what's up, y'all? Today's the big day. About to start on the G35. Begin the tear down. All right, let's go. All right, I got the front bumper cover off. All right, so now I got everything out. Now, since I got the headlights out, I got it stripped down to pretty much the core support. And as you see, this core support is broken up. So now it's time to remove this support. Right, I got the broken core support out. The rest of it. All right, now I got the fender removed. Next, I'm gonna remove the hinges for the hood. All right, now I got the hinges removed. So now I have the radiator removed, and I'm about to start on the hinges. Those are a couple of the parts that I've gotten so far. Hinges done. So now I'm about to install this fender that I found at the junkyard. That'll be next. Got the fender bolted up, almost complete. Still got to put the liner in, but I think I'm gonna move on to the core support next. All right, now I have the core support bolted up loosely. Make sure I fit everything right before I continue. So far, everything seems to be going together smoothly. Core support, the fender, the new hinges. All right, let's get going. All right, I got the new air box installed. Next is the radiator. Well, here's what I got done so far with the parts that I have that came. I got the core support on, got the radiator installed, Got a new air box. I got the fender and I got the hinges. So there was a couple of things that needs to be repaired, like this cooling fan. As you can see, it's cracked. I was gonna buy another one, but I think I can fix this with my plastic weld on the broken tab, so I can mount it back. And this little cracked frame, there's another little crack here. That's all right. Fans work fine. It's just got cracked when I was taking off this headlight here. One of the tabs of the headlight was cracked, and there was a lot of other little pieces that broke off that I can probably easily plastic weld the tabs and little end corners and stuff back on. So that's what I got to do. But funny enough, this new radiator that I bought, it came out the box with the tab broken off, the mounting. So I glued it and let it sit overnight, and it seems to be holding. So I can slide this back into the slot here. You know, put the bushing on it, slide it back, and then lock it in place. But that's about it. So all I have to do is just wait for the couple of little bits that I have on order to come in, and that should wrap this thing up. I could take it down to New Jersey inspection place and get it inspected to make sure that it's I guess they say it's safe, but it's really they want to make sure that I didn't put the car back together with stolen parts. And once the vehicle gets inspected, and they'll give me a rebuilt title. Well, they give me, I'll be able to apply for a rebuilt title, pay for the rebuilt title, and I can get this car back registered, titled, and registered again. So that'll be a wrap for today. I'm still waiting on a few more parts: the hood, my headlight, and a couple of other odds and ends. But until next time, I'm out.